How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can import 3D mesh files into ZBrush. So there's a lot of files supported in ZBrush, and to simply import your object, first things first, head over to your project, and then from here, navigate through tools, select on the import button, and then you want to look for the object, STL file, or anything that you want to import onto the ZBrush right here. So in my case, it's going to be inside my desktop. And then let's select a simple shape, maybe this one. Let's click on open. And then in my case, I'm going to just skip the color itself, click on OK, and then it will be imported onto the ZBrush right here. Unfortunately, that object isn't supported, so let's try another, maybe this one. Let's click on open, click on OK once more, and unfortunately, it's the same, but generally that's how you do it. Let's go ahead and try this one instead. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.